Our client, Highline, has come a long way since its humble beginnings. Today, it stands as a nationwide distributor of industrial MRO supplies, providing direct access to over 100,000 plus parts to its customers. Highline's territory managers drive fully stocked mobile stores equipped to serve the needs of various industries, including transportation, aviation, facilities management, aerospace, medical, military, marine, power generation, manufacturing, and heavy equipment industries. They are highly trained professionals who are dedicated to providing top-notch services and support to Highline's customers. At Highline, they pride themselves on offering an extensive range of industrial parts to their customers, boasting an impressive catalog of over 100,000 products. However, as their product offering continued to expand, they found themselves facing a daunting challenge. With the constant need to reprint and distribute new supplementary catalogs to their customers, they knew there had to be a better way. They tried using interactive PDFs and their website, but found that these solutions fell short when it came to speed and responsiveness. Additionally, many of their clients work in the remote areas or buildings with limited connectivity, making it difficult for them to access the products they need. Considering these challenges, Highline was determined to find a solution that would empower their customers to access their products seamlessly, whether they're online or offline, and work in any environment. When Highline approached us at Copper Digital, they had wealth of information, ready product images, descriptions, how-to videos, and more. However, they knew that in order to truly empower their customers, they needed to find a way to organize and present this information in a dynamic and user-friendly way. That's where our team at Copper Digital came in. We worked closely with Highline to not only streamline their entire category hierarchy, but also create a powerful mobile app that would make accessing their products a breeze. They needed multiple apps, and apps that could handle their entire catalog, synchronize in real time as their product offering continued to change, and work seamlessly in any environment. Our team of Scrum Masters, mobile strategists, UI UX designers, back-end architects, quality assurance engineers, and top mobile app developers rose to the challenge and delivered not only 2 native apps, but also a web-based admin panel for the management of the former 2, providing Highline with a complete solution that exceeded their expectations. When Copper Digital took on the project for Highline, we knew that we had to deliver something truly special. We were determined to create mobile apps that would not only meet but exceed the expectations of Highline's customers. That's why we're thrilled to say that we not only delivered the apps ahead of schedule, but in time for Highline's annual event. The impact of these apps has been nothing short of astounding. Customers are now able to find products faster than ever before, including ones they didn't even know Highline carried. The app's intuitive design and dynamic organization of Highline's extensive product catalog has made a significant impact on how Highline operates and level of service they're able to provide to their customers. But that's not all. The app also enabled more visibility for promotional specials and made it easier for customers to get in touch with their local territory manager. The search function on the app is lightning fast, making it 8 to 10 times faster than using interactive PDF or website. The app allows barcode scan search, along voice and text search across various parameters of millions of SKUs. Not only does the app save printing and paper-based costs, but it reduces Highline's carbon footprint, promoting environmental friendliness. This is truly a result to be proud of, and one that demonstrates Copper Digital's commitment to delivering innovative solutions that make a real difference for our clients. If you have some digital transformation initiative that you'd like to get in touch with Copper Digital, you go ahead and fill out a form. Go to copperdigital.com say hello to us. We'll be happy to have a conversation with you and share our experiences of working with other customers most similar to you. And we'll be happy to give you examples and share some stories of what are some of the lessons that we've learned working with a wide variety of customers across different industries. Our key focus has been in the last few years to work with small medium enterprises, and within that, the verticals that we love to innovate for: healthcare, manufacturing, and fintech. And the way we approach some of these problems is that we go ahead and create a digital transformation strategy, and in this strategy we use different components like mobile and web is one piece of it, data analytics with AI and ML is another piece, and then we have IoT, including the industrial IoT, and then finally cloud and DevOps. So using these 4 key areas, we are able to drive innovation for our customers. Not only that, on top of it, we are very mindful of the user experience, so we can help you take those very boring applications and convert those into Silicon Valley look and feel and create those apps that are super modern, that your employees are engaged and your customers are really proud to be using. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.